Welcome to this introduction to SQL Joins. In this session, we will explore the concept of SQL Joins, which are crucial for understanding table relationships in SQL databases. We will cover what SQL Joins are, why they are important, the different types of joins, and how to use them effectively. SQL Joins are clauses used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Essentially, they connect data from multiple tables, making them essential for relational database queries. By using joins, you can create meaningful data relationships and retrieve comprehensive information. There are several compelling reasons to use SQL joins. First, they facilitate normalized data retrieval, allowing you to efficiently query data from normalized tables without redundancy while still maintaining relationships. Second, they enable comprehensive analysis by providing access to and analysis of related data across multiple tables in a single query. Third, they contribute to performance optimization, improving database efficiency through properly structured joins and indexes. Lastly, they ensure data integrity by maintaining consistent relationships between entities in your database design. SQL provides several types of joins to handle different data relationship scenarios and requirements. Here's a brief overview. Inner join returns only the matching rows between the tables. Left join returns all rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. Right join returns all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. Full join returns all rows when there is a match in either the left or right table. An inner join returns records that have matching values in both tables, forming the intersection of the tables. This means that only the rows with corresponding data in both tables will be included in the result. Here's the basic syntax for an inner join. Select columns from table 1, inner join table 2, on table 1. Column equals table 2. Column. Key points to remember are: it only returns matching records, non-matching records are excluded, and it's the most common join type in queries. A left join, also known as a left outer join, returns all records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. If there is no match in the right table, the result includes null values for the right table's columns. Here's the syntax. Select columns from table 1, left join table 2, on table 1. Column equals table 2. Column. Key points include: all records from the left table are included, null values for non-matching right records will appear, and it's useful for finding missing relationships. A right join returns all records from the right table and the matching records from the left table. If there is no match in the left table, the result includes null values for the left table's columns. The syntax is: select columns from table 1, right join table 2, on table 1. Column equals table 2. Column. Key points to remember are: all records from the right table are included, null values for non-matching left records, and it's less common than left join in practice. A full join, also known as a full outer join, returns all records when there is a match in either the left or right table. If there is no match, the result includes null values for the non-matching records on both sides. Here's the syntax. Select columns from table 1, full join table 2, on table 1. Column equals table 2. Column. Key points include: all records from both tables are included, null values for any non-matching records, and it's useful for data completeness analysis. In addition to the standard joins, there are also cross joins and self joins. A cross join returns the Cartesian product of two tables, meaning all possible combinations of rows from both tables. The syntax is: select columns from table 1, cross-join table 2. A self-join joins a table with itself, treating it as two separate tables. This is useful for comparing rows within the same table. The syntax is: select a .column b .column from table as a join table as b, on a .column equals b .related column. To ensure efficient and effective use of SQL joins, consider the following best practices. Always specify the join type explicitly, whether it's inner, left, right, or full for clarity and to avoid unexpected results. Use proper keys by joining tables using index columns, preferably primary and foreign keys, for better performance. Limit the number of joined tables to improve query performance and readability. Use table aliases employing short, meaningful aliases for more readable queries, especially with multiple joins. Filter in the join condition or where clause based on the join type and expected results. Lastly, select specific columns, avoiding the select all statement and only retrieve the specific columns needed for better performance. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.